Thank you for joining us for Algonquin's first ever virtual open house. I'm Rob Messia, Algonquin's building principal. This program is being presented as a series of short video clips for you to learn more about our outstanding teaching staff and instructional program. These video clips are organized into Bitmoji classrooms. Parents are encouraged to explore their child's team classroom space and watch the videos, which are typically less than 2 minutes long, about each one of the classes. Each year, I personally look forward to our open house because it is a chance for us to highlight our incredibly talented and passionate teaching staff. This year, while the format is different, we hope that we can help you learn more about our great teachers and instructional program. This year, our school theme is Together, We Are Warriors. No matter if your child is attending in person or virtually this year, we stand together as one school community to meet the needs of every student every day. As a team, we're here to support your child. To that end, our counselors and principals work closely together with our teams of teachers. Should you have any questions during the school year, do not hesitate to reach out to your child's counselor, administrator, or team leader as well. With a variety of modes of attendance, this year we've created team landing pages for each team. These pages are designed to be one-stop shops for your child's learning activities and support resources for their learning. Here is a weekly learning plan document outline, and our landing page itself with a variety of resources to support students in their learning. I'd also like to take this opportunity to say thank you to our Algonquin Parent Organization. We are very fortunate to have such a vibrant and supportive parent organization at the middle school level. Please consider joining the APO and helping them continue their work to make our school a better place for students each day. Finally, on behalf of the entire faculty and staff here at Algonquin, thank you for participating in our open house, and more importantly, for being engaged and committed to your child's education. Enjoy our virtual open house.